What's up, YouTube? This your boy Anthony here. I'm back again for another video, and today I'm about to just do what every YouTuber do, man. So I might as well just add it onto my list of videos, man. So I'm about to go ahead and wash this Camaro. I took it on a nice little road trip, and I got a whole bunch of gunk and the bugs getting smacked. Look at that, man. I killed that one really good on that corner there. Look, all these bugs in the front. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm waiting for my foam cannon to come in, so this is gonna be the first and probably last time for me to wash my car without a foam cannon. But I'm gonna do with everything that I need here with this 1700 PSI pressure washer. So let's get into it. Woo. Okay, that's it. I'm done. The car looking clean. Look at the finishing results. Woo. Look how that carbon fiber glistening. Look how everything looking. Everything looking good and pristine. Look at that. You see how that sun glistening? The sun just following down that carbon fiber, man. Woo. So that's it. That's all I want to show you guys. Now I'm about to show you guys like some roller shots of what it look like on the road, and that's gonna wrap this video up. Holla.